Hello, and welcome to this how-to video about MERLIN. In this video, we'll see how to create a new MERLIN project starting from an existing ARCAD application. To start with, we have a Git repository. It's been created with only a README file. And here is our IBMI server. We've created an application called FRM-APP. This application consists of 3 libraries on the IBMI, and the ARCAD metadata repository has been loaded for this application. Within the operational attributes of the application, you can see the URL for the Git repository has been filled in. Now that we have the application set up and the repository built, we can send all the source members within the ARCAD repository associated with this application to the Git repository. To do that, we'll use the ARCAD command load scmrep, load scm repository. For demonstration purposes, we're doing this interactively. You'd probably want to run this in batch. And also note, in order to run this command, SSH keys have been generated for the user and they were added to the Git repository before this attempt. Once that's done, we can go back to the Git repository and we can do a refresh, and we can now see that all the source for that application has been added to the Git repository. Now that our repository is ready, we'll copy the SSH URL of the repository for use within MERLIN. Within MERLIN, we'll start a workspace that's already been created. Now the workspace opens, but for the moment you'll see that there is no project. So here we'll press F1 and we'll use the git clone command and we'll paste in the URL of our Git repository. When prompted, we'll choose to add the repository to the current workspace. When that's done, we'll configure this project for use within ARCAD. First, we'll connect to MERLIN by entering our password, and then we'll select a template that's used to make a link between an IBMI user and an IBMI server. And with that, your configuration is done. You're ready to start modifying source members. To modify source, we'll follow a standard workflow. First, we'll create a new branch. Once the branch is created, we'll push it to the Git repository. We'll do all this within MERLIN using the Git portions of the IDE. Using the Explorer, you select the option that you need and you follow the dialog. When the push is done, if we return to our Git repository, we can see that the new branch has been created there. And if we return to MERLIN and refresh the ARCAD node, we can see that a version has been created within ARCAD and it has been linked to that feature branch. The developer can now work on and modify any source member they'd like. Thanks for watching. For more videos and for more information, please visit our website at www.arcadsoftware.com.